So while this one's booting up, I might try to take the screen protector off. I don't think I've ever done that before, but I heard you can do it with a piece of paper. Oh look, it's got my Firebird on the background and everything. That's cool. So I'm trying to get a piece of paper under the screen protector. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oof. Come on, baby. I don't want to lift up on it, I don't think. I guess that can be hard on the screen. Oof. Oh, I just cracked the screen protector. But the paper does seem to be working. I'm 99% sure that the phone is in good shape, but the screen protector is damaged. That's what they're for, though. I'd rather damage the screen protector than the phone. So I'm sliding this under the screen protector. I think this is glass. Yeah, you want to be careful. I think that's real glass. I think phones made out of glass are kind of silly, but it is what it is. Yeah, this screen protector is messed up big time. I guess you want to take your time with it. This screen protector seems pretty fragile. There it is. It's messed up. But the phone seems to be good.